Yeah, my money big body, my money talking all nigga. I really don't watch my money been talking, my money do dancers. Yeah, shut up.
What's good, you guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today we have an interior video. As you guys can see, our start stop button is clapped to shit right now. So I have a Blue Series crystal style start knob, start stop button. As you guys can see here, it's like the G80 style. As you guys can see, has a little bit of a design to it, and there's like a cut of crystal underneath. I don't know if it's real crystal, but it looks like crystal. I don't think it's real crystal though. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put tape over this button and pull it off, and we'll see if it comes off. If not, I'll get like one of those little screwdrivers and go in between the silver and the black, like right here, and you can just pop it off because there's only one pin for it on the top right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this one. It's a pretty simple one, but it'll definitely improve your interior. So that's the old one, this is the new one for a side-by-side comparison. This might be the thumbnail right here, but yeah, let's go. So as you guys can see, we got the adhesive on the button. I'm gonna give it like 30 seconds to a minute to cure on there, and then I'll just rip it out. And pretty much you just push the new button in, and that's your install. Alright guys, so it's been sat on there for a minute or so. Let me see if I can record and pull it off at the same time. I guess this is a pretty good angle. And as you guys can see, it was a fail the first attempt, so I gotta let it bond a little bit harder. But yeah. Alright guys, so I pulled it out. I got it for you guys off camera. As you guys can see, when you pull it out, you just make sure you don't want to lose that little piece at the bottom right there. But now all I have to do is unclip the button, as you guys can see, and then clip in the new one and just push it back in. So let's get into it. So pretty much it's just a bunch of clips to get it off. As you guys can see, I broke one of them, but there's a notch on the top right there, and then pretty much you're gonna want to get the blue one. I'm doing this install by myself right now, so it's gonna be a bitch to do this all with one hand. But you're gonna get the blue one like this. It'll have this notch on the top. Let me show you guys right there. The notch is right there. And then pretty much what you're gonna want to do is just line it up and put it on. But I'm gonna do this off camera, but pretty much you're just gonna want to line it up, get all the clips in. But I'm gonna do this off camera because I have one hand, so I can't really hold the camera, record, and do it. So I'll be right back. So pretty much all you have to do is like push it back on and align it just like how the OEM button was. And then when you guys are reinstalling it, just make sure this little black whatever, it's like a little plastic silicone thingy, you just want to make sure it's there and doesn't fall out. And hold on, I'm just switching hands, but basically what you're going to want to do is, you see these 4 prongs, you're going to want to line it up to those 4 prongs in there, and make sure the black thing is on there once again. And then let me go on this side so you guys can see. But yeah, you're going to want to make sure everything's lined up. So it's lined up now, and then you're just going to push. And then as you guys can see, it works. You're just going to want to give it a test start just to make sure it works, you know, it's not stuck, the button's on good. And yeah, as you guys can see, we have the new push to start button. It's bright out right now, so you can't really see it, but it does light up. You could see a little bit of orange protruding through, but it looks really good. It looks so much better than let me pull up the old one. Maybe this might be the thumbnail, but let me pull up the old one for you guys. It looks so much better than this clapped out start stop button. This one isn't that bad. I've seen worse ones where you can't even see the start stop, but that looks so much cleaner. So this is my first interior mod. Got a lot more coming. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's a really simple and easy mod, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.